If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. There are many ways to desaturate image layers in Photoshop. To fully desaturate a selected raster layer in the Layers panel of Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Desaturate from the menu bar. Note that this is a destructive edit, which changes the pixels in the selected layer. Also, note that you cannot apply this command to a selected Smart Object layer in the Layers panel as a smart filter. Alternatively, to fully desaturate a selected layer in the Layers panel non-destructively, either click the Hue Saturation button in the Adjustments panel, or click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel and select the Hue/Saturation command in the pop-up menu to add an adjustment layer above the selected layer in the Layers panel and show its settings in the Properties panel. Then ensure you select the Master Color range if needed. Next, click and drag the saturation slider all the way to the left or enter -100 into its adjacent field. Doing this fully desaturates all the color in the underlying layer. However, this color desaturation is applied as an adjustment layer that doesn't change the pixels in the underlying layer. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.